Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up. I'm not.
My name is Keshwini Gopal and my matrix number is 06DPR21F1077. Course code is DPA10183. I am here to discuss the function of each journals. Firstly, I want to discuss about purchase journal. What is purchase journal? Function of the purchase journal is to record goods purchased on credit. Credit purchase transaction. Source document of the purchase journal is invoice received from seller. This is example of purchase journal. Secondly, sales journal. Function of the sales journal is to record goods sold on credit, credit sale transaction. Source document of the sales journal is invoice issued to debtor. This is the example of sales journal. Lastly, sales return journal. The another name of sales return journal is return inwards journal. The function of the sales return journal is to record the returns of goods by customers. The source documents of sales return journal is a credit note issued to customers. This is the example of sales return journal. Thank you.
Um, Selamat sejahtera Puan Surani. I'm Yani Suren Sonam Vasudevan here, and my matrix number is 06DPR21F1006. Today I'm here to discuss the function of general journal, cash receipt journal, and cash payment journal. So I start from general journal. What is general journal? The function is to record all the transactions that do not belong in other special journal or cash book. There are five transactions that recorded in general journal. The first is opening entries, followed by sales or purchases of non-current asset on credit, withdrawals of inventory for owner's own use, addition in capital, and adjustment. So this transaction should be recorded in general journal. Next, we will see a sample of general journal. Um, so what we can see from here is general journal must have at least must have two accounts, which is debit and credit. So all the transactions should be written under debit and credit. Next, about cash receipt. The function of the cash receipt journal is to record all the cash received from any sources into a business. Next, the major sources of cash received in a business include investment of capital by the owner, cash sales of an asset for a cash, collection from some customers, collection of interest, dividends, or rent, and lastly, loan from an individual or bank or any other financial institution. This is an example for a cash receipt journal. So what we can see from here is from on January 28, I received check from 800 from Ali. So when it comes to check, definitely it will be under bank because check is under bank, And Ali at here is a debtor, or we can call him an account receivable. Next, January 29, cash sale RM 1200. So it's clearly they given that it's a cash, so it will be under cash and it's under sale. Another word for sale is revenue. After that, what is cash payment journal? Cash payment journal is used to record all the transaction in which cash is paid out. For examples, payments to creditors for items bought on account, payments for various expenses, payments for wages and salaries, and cash decreases for bank service charges, and bank card fees. So I have explained for these two. So what we can see from here is on March 25, the company has paid Sri Data Tailoring RM 700 by check. So we can see another check here. So when it comes to check, it will definitely under bank. And in that one, next one is cash purchase RM 600. So cash is under cash, purchase is under debit. Purchase under debit account. Right? So that's all from me. Thank you, madam, for listening.
Assalamualaikum Madam Suryani. My name is Nur Fazlinda binti Muhammad Firuz. Number of matric is 06 DPR 21F1054. Today I want to discuss the function of purchase returns. Alright, what is purchase returns? Purchase return means a return of good from the buyer to the seller for a cash refund if the purchase was for cash or credit. It happens when the purchaser may be dissatisfied with the merchandise received because the goods are damaged or defective, of inferior quality, or do not meet the purchaser's specification. So this is example for purchase return journal. So that's all from me. Thank you.